Hello friends, my name is Ratin. Today I am going to make it a Ganesha with the help of X, Y and Z. Here first of all take your paper and write X, Y and Z on a paper, and with the help of that we can going to make it Ganesha. I am taking a marker, thick marker, one curve for making a turban, both the side curve for making a turban of Ganesha. Your turban is ready. Now straight line touching to the Y, curve going straight down. Again same thing, opposite side touching to the Y. This is a face, a trunk of Ganesha. Now I am going to make it eyes. One curve, two curve and a lens at the center. Again same thing, eyes of a Ganesha. At this head part I am going to make it tilak. Now I am going to make it a shoulder by making two curves, a stomach, a hand, giving a Ashirwad both the side, ornaments at the downside. Again one curve touching to the first part of the Z. Same thing here, and one curve for making a leg. That's a Ganesha ready. Now I am going to fill color inside with the help of brush pens. Taking a yellow color in the face, slowly cover the border, do not go in eyes. In stomach, covering the portion. Again the hand part, and ornament too. Again a leg part. Now I'm going towards turban. Filling red inside. Again same with the tilak, I am filling a red color. Taking yellow on the turban. Taking a sky blue downside and a dhoti part. Same thing on opposite side. Here my Ganesha is ready. Thank you friends. Enjoy your work. Please do share our art if you like it. Thank you.